So Twitter is known for its 280 character limit on every tweet, which makes it a little difficult to convey your thoughts. So you want to transfer this challenge to you. It takes about 20 seconds to say 280 characters. So you need to explain to us details in 20 seconds, but we won't make it easy. We also want you to use one hashtag and one emoji in your tweet. We have
yes. The timer started?
No. We have a stopwatch.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay. Details is a one-stop agency which can take care of all your promotions and all your marketing needs. Hashtag the best. Another hashtag you'll never regret because no regrets. And emoji heart.
Nice.
Okay, not bad. Under 20 seconds. But I still don't think that would have fit into a tweet.
No, we changed the hashtag. It was
no regrets. Yeah. Okay.
So
fair.